Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another SpongeBob character. This time it's gonna be his buddy, Patrick. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll be back to show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Patrick, and here's my sketch underneath. And yeah, this one's pretty simple. The only tricky part is just getting the right proportions, which is the case for most cartoons. So I'm going to start out with his eyes. I'm just going to draw in one big egg shape. Okay, and then from here I'm going to draw another egg shape right behind this one. So it should be about the same size. So just tuck it right behind. Okay, and then once you have that, I'm gonna draw in the, just finish up the eyeballs. Just one small egg shape inside, and I'll just shade it in. And then come across, and in the center of this one, just draw the same thing. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then now for his mouth. So I'm just gonna come down right around here. Just come down. You can make a little point. I'm going to draw kind of like a happy face all the way around, all the way back here. So just go past his eye all the way over here. And then now I'm going to draw one slant at the very end of that curve. Okay, so we're going to continue. So this is the upper lip. So now for his mouth, and this one's going to be open. So I'm going to start back up here, curve down. And then now I'm going to go down and come back up to this point here. So lots of big curves. Okay, and then from this curve right here, just extend it. And that's gonna give us the mouth shape. And then now for his tongue, just right here, just one little bump first. And then start right here, just draw one more bump. Alright, so that's the facial features, and then now for the head shape, just come out to the side right here. Just gonna draw one little slant first, just right around here. Okay, so right on the eye level, now I'm gonna go up a little bit higher. So now I'm gonna start on this side, right over the eye, and this one's gonna slant inwards. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller up top here. And then now for the very tip, I'm just gonna keep extending this line, this curve, go all the way around and just come back and just close everything off. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw in, just finish up the, I guess, the overall head shape. So I'm gonna come down right here. Okay, just envision this line going right through the eyes. I'm just gonna come down right around here first. Okay, so that's gonna be the head, and then to finish off the eyebrow, so this one's easy. Just right here, just two lines. Right over here, just two little slants. Alright, so that's it for the head, and now let's draw in his body. And I'm gonna have his arms going up. So starting this point here, we're just gonna curve all the way up here. Just kind of round it out right there. And then now I'm gonna come back down to right around here. Okay, and then at this point here, just extend the lines. Okay, and then before I draw in the other arm, we're gonna have to draw in his body right here first. So I'm gonna continue with this line. Let's go all the way down. And then for his tummy here, we're gonna curve all the way around. So the easier way to draw this is to finish up this side first. So I'm gonna come down. Okay, so right around the same distance going down. And then now right here, I'm just gonna draw one big smooth curve. Alright, and then just come back up here, finish up this arm. On this curve, just extend the line going in. Alright, so now let's draw on the other arm. So I'm gonna start here, right around here. Curve it right at the tip, and then we're gonna come back down right here. So you can make a little mark here first. And we'll just curve down and close everything off. Alright, so that's the upper body, and then now for the lower body, we'll start out right on this curve right here. Just go to the center, come down, you make a little point. So that's gonna be the bottom. And then from this point here, we're gonna curve, continue with this line right here and just curve all the way down. Just curve it around. Okay, and then on this side, we're gonna have to stop a little bit short because we have to draw in his legs right here. So we're gonna curve down and we'll just stop a little bit short. Just come down. On this side right here, just come over slightly and then come down. And then close this off with another curve coming down. Okay, so those are the hardest parts, and then we can extend the lines right here. We just go up. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, we're just gonna draw one little, kind of like a U shape, but a little bit sharper on the bottom. So you can just draw two curves coming in first, and then just round it off. Okay, so then for the other legs, so here's the middle, just come over, come down, start right around here. Again, just close it off again with a curve. And then same thing over here. Just come down, just round it out. Okay, so this leg is a little bit higher than this one because we're seeing it in a 3/4 view. Okay, and then lastly for the details, let's see, there should be a line right here for his pants. And then for his belly button right here, let's draw one little U shape and then one more on top, a smaller one. And then for the details on his pants right here, around the belly button, just come down over here. Just gonna draw 2 little brackets right here. Just curve inwards. And then now 1 big curve, close everything off. Okay, and then on this side, start back here, curve, just kind of turn this way, just go out, and then 1 more curve. And that is it for this Patrick. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.